Avocado cucumber salad. This is my current favourite avocado salad. Cooling cucumber with creamy avocado, fresh lime juice, olive oil, fresh herbs, and my secret ingredient, red pepper flakes. It just adds the tiniest hum of warmth, which just pairs so beautifully with the cooling cucumber. Okay, first up, the cucumber. Just cut it into rounds. And then for the avocado, cut it in half, twist to separate, then strike the seed with a knife and twist to remove. Peel, then cut in half lengthwise, then into 1 centimetre slices. That's just under half an inch. Finely slice the red onion so it's not too harsh and oniony when you bite into it. For the herbs, I'm using my favourite combination of dill and coriander. That's cilantro, to those of you in the States. These just work so well together for great herby freshness. To make the salad, just put everything into a giant bowl. Then drizzle the olive oil and lime juice over. No need to shake it up separately like we usually do. Then give it a good toss. It's best to use your hands so you can gently separate the avocado slices as you go. It does look messy, but that's what it is, and that's what it's supposed to be, because messy means that the avocado is ripe and creamy, and that's exactly what you want. Ripe avocado kind of becomes part of the creamy dressing. This is all sorts of good. Or mine. Just eat it like this, or I also like to stuff it in wraps. I'm shocked. I don't know where Dozer is. Because you know why? Because there's no bacon or chicken or anything of interest in here to him. Definitely not a fan of cucumbers. Let's see if we can get Dozer to eat cucumber. Dozer, treat! Oh. Come on, Dozer. Unbelievable.